Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Throne and Liberty error. An Unreal basically process has crashed, UEA-4 -TL basically error, right? So what you need to do here, it's quite easy and straightforward. So first of all, you just need to go to library, then you need to look for Throne and Liberty, then you need to right click on it, go to properties, and then here try to first write -dx11, close and launch the game and look if you're getting crashes or not. If you're still getting crashes, then right click on it, go to properties, and then here you need to write -d3d11, right? And look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then also try to force game to run in windowed mode. So just write windowed, and then in game you can change to borderless windowed or something like that, and your crash should be you should not be getting any crashes. Also, if you're using third-party antivirus software like Avast, McAfee, or others, try to disable them because it can cause the crash. Also, if you're using overlay, a lot of apps use overlay, like Steam, for example, uses overlay. Discord, NVIDIA app, and others try to disable all the overlays because it can cause the crashing problem. And if you're using, I don't know, controllers, steering wheels, something like that, VR cables, VR sets, try to disable them and then run the game and look if the problem persists or not. But after apply this, you should not be getting any crashes, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.